in the heart of fields where the green grass grows. Excel Farms nurtures love where pure care flows. Tree dax and alfalfa, a feast for every hair. Napier and brachiaria, shelter from despair. Oh, in the sunshine, they hop with joy so free, living in a world where the heartbeats harmonize with glee. With clean water flowing and tender hands to guide, our furry friends thrive with passion at their side. Multivitamins sprinkled like stars in the night, giving strength and vigor, making spirits bright.